If you're using Godaddy Website Builder and want to add a text box to your site, here's exactly how to do it step by step. Start by logging in to your Godaddy account and selecting the website you want to edit. Once you're in, click on Edit Website or Edit Site to open the website editor. Now, instead of adding a standalone text box, because Godaddy doesn't offer that directly, you'll need to add a section that includes text. Hover over the area of the page where you want your text to appear, then click on the plus Add Section button. A menu will pop up. From there, go to the General category and select Content. This will show you several layout options that already contain text areas. Scroll through and pick a content style that fits your needs. For example, you can choose a simple text block, an introduction, layout, or even a side-by-side format if you want text alongside an image. Once you find the layout you like, click Add. The section will be placed onto your page with pre-filled placeholder text. Click directly inside the new text area to activate the cursor. Delete the placeholder content and type in your own custom text. When you're done editing, click the Publish button at the top right corner to save your changes and update your live site. That's all it takes to add a new text area to your Godaddy website. Quick, simple, and no coding needed.